Hey everyone, it's Lauren from NanoChomp, and no, we're not talking about machine learning, AI, data-driven strategies, or agile marketing. Today we're talking about something that's going to be really applicable and something that you can kind of jump into right now. On our other video, we talked about how to get twice the work done in half the time and how to implement agile principles in an afternoon, and we'll link to that video. Agile's awesome, but what it doesn't do is it doesn't show you how to get that work done and how to get it done efficiently. So we always say that having a plan is awesome, but if you don't come up with the ways to actually effectively do that work, it's always going to be just a plan. So right now we're going to talk about two methods that we've used over the years that we really like that's helped us with time management and prioritization. So before we get to the how, we really want to talk about how you set up yourself with productivity. First, you want to minimize your distractions, and this is super hard, especially during COVID, right? You get the Teams messages, you get the Skype messages, you're getting meetings on your calendar way more than you used to, and a lot of fun interrupts there. But congratulations, you're living in 2021. But there's a way to mitigate that. First, you want to mute those notifications on your phone and your computer. Instagram's going to wait, and so will all the folks bothering you. Then you want to set designated times for reading and responding to emails. We call this batching. You're never going to answer them all in one day, so you really want to pick a few times where you can focus your energy there and not let them become a distraction. I think especially right now with a lot of folks working from home, this one's really big. Have some headphones in your ears. That can help dissuade some kids, a spouse, or passersby wherever you work to really prevent them from jumping into your conversations and your time. The other thing is, what about all of those meetings on your calendar? Do you really need to have all of them? What if you only went to half as many? Would you get as much work done? We think so. Meetings make us feel really important and they make us feel needed, but they're a huge suck on productivity. We read a book called Essentialism and it changed our lives and changed our perspective, and we'll link to that as well. Finally, you want to create some planned unavailability on your calendar. That means blocking out time so no one can schedule meetings. That means you can actually get some work done. All right, so now you have your house in order. It's time to really start implementing those methods. Two that we really like are GTD and Pomodoro method. GTD is short for getting things done. We like to call this a one-day sprint if you're familiar with Agile. So essentially this is a high-level view of your day, and it's a 5-step process. Capture, clarify, organize, reflect, and execute. Step 1 is to capture. You want to collect all the items that you want to work on today and add them to your plan. Step 2 is to clarify. Look at that list and make sure each one is actionable. What do you need to get each item to done? Do you need internal resources, external resources? Is there missing information? Is everything clear? Is anything preventing you from getting it done? Step 3 is you want to organize. You want to put everything in its place. You want to priority stack your tasks from most important to least important so you can try to get those really hot button issues done. Step 4 is reflect. Review your list and make sure that it's good to go. Step 5 is execute. Sounds exactly like you think. It means you just do it. So like we mentioned, this sounds like a daily version of your bi-weekly sprint plan for you Agile folks, and you're not too far off if you're thinking that. The next method that we really like is called the Pomodoro method. A ton of people have actually written books about this with multiple chapters, and they sell them for $9 on Amazon. It's really just 5 bullet points, just 5 steps. So I think we can get this done in under 100 words. Let's try. So 1, you want to identify your tasks for the day. Then you want to set a timer for 25 minutes. You want to work uninterrupted until the timer goes off. Uninterrupted means mute your texts, keep your iPhone face down, don't check your email, and throw those headphones in. Then when the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. You can take a lap around the office, check your emails, hop on Instagram, get on Bumble. I don't know your life. Then you want to go back to step 2, and then you want to repeat that on loop. If every 4th break is a little bit longer, I think that's actually helpful. Make it 25 minutes or so you can catch up on a few emails a little bit longer and you don't break your flow later on. All right, boom. I think that was 96 words, including that it's 100. That's pretty cool. All right, this might not work for everyone and it might not work for every task, but I really like this because it's a really easy way to force some focus into your day. If you're wondering where the name comes from, Pomodoro is Italian for tomato. The origin of the method comes from using one of those tomato-shaped kitchen timers for the 25-minute focus period. All right, since it's 2021, you can use your phone, or you can be a hipster and download one of those or buy one of those timers off Amazon. We'll link to that as well. Whatever works for you. All right, so let us know, what method do you guys really like beyond these two? Or is there anything else that we're missing? What do you think we should try? Because we're always looking for new ways to get some productivity hacks into our day and get more done. All right, so next time we're going to talk about how to effectively communicate. I think this is really important in the business world, especially the startup world, if you have business partners. But it really helps in life, right? You want to learn how to talk to people in ways that they're going to be receptive to. You want to pick up on those social cues, and you want to find ways to make sure that what you want to get across is actually getting across. And it's super important both in business and in life. So that is our next video. I can't wait to share. But thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.